Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I am back with a Happy Mail share. I got some Happy Mail from Lizzie from What Lizzie Presents, and I got it today. Hi Lizzie. I didn't open it yet, so I think I already know. I think I remember what she said she was sending me. She's sending, I think this is the memory decks that when I first started making the Alice in Wonderland memory decks card, if you all remember. I'm trying not to show her address. Looky. Okay, good. Yay! Oh, it's a little note. Eileen, thank you for always making your lives so much fun. Love, Lizzie. So cute. And she just used a little card right here. And let's see. There it is. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, sorry, hon, sorry. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Yep, and it's got a note on the back, but look at what I can make it do. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty, Lizzie. Belle of the ball. So look, she used some flowers. I think these are foam. Yeah, foam flowers. And she's got a little bit of glitter on here. And she's got some of the gold leaf on there in the background. And she's got the pearl sprays going. Whoop, that was hot glue. And she's got all these pretty pearls. And her dress, she used yellow ribbon. Whoa, there goes my hand again. Sorry, guys. So she glued the lace onto her dress. So pretty. She's got a bee over here for Belle. So cute. And she cut it ready for the memory decks box. Oh, this is so pretty. Look, she got Belle over here. She's got a little pearl belt on there. And she added the cloche with the rose. She added a rose here. Look at that. So smart. And she's got a little ephemera piece here, and it says, does it say beauty? It says beauty on there. She's got a little gold vine through the top. So pretty. In the back it says sees the beauty within. Very pretty. I love this. Oh my gosh. Lizzie, great job. Let's see. So she has her info on here. Yay. Latina Grandma 7 on IG. And she's got Lizzie Diaz on Facebook and What Lizzie Presents on YouTube. Those are all her handles. And her favorite color is shades of blue, pastels. And her craft joy is vintage and shabby, and don't like dark green and cutesy cartoons. And she says, I enjoy paper crafts, crochet, canvas art, and pocket letters. Wow. She's got a little foam, dimensional foam butterfly on here. Let me try to show you without showing her address. Look at that. It's really thick too, guys. She's got a little gold flower down at the bottom. So pretty. I could even just leave it up displayed just like this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Lizzie. This is so pretty. Look, and she put a yellow ribbon piece right up here to act as her top. So pretty. I love what she did. Oh my God. I love it, Lizzie. Thank you so much, hon. And you guys go check her out. She's What Lizzie Presents here on YouTube, like I said. And I'll leave her links below in the description box. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next video. Bye.